Welcome back. Well, it's been a very wet go of it this late spring across Acadiana, going back through the latter part of April, all of May, now most of this first half of June, and we got more of the same on tap for the next week or so. Doesn't look like until sometime in July before we get a hotter and sustained drier pattern. So let's take a look at this big picture as we remain sandwiched between two ridges of high pressure, one over in Baja and the other one over in the southeastern Atlantic. Then you have the jet stream off to the north producing severe weather here. But for us here across the Gulf Coast, it means an unlimited supply of Gulf moisture will continue to work with a weakness in the atmosphere that allows thunderstorms and a minimal cap on those thunderstorms during the course of the day to bubble up, especially during the course of the afternoon hours. And that's what we're going to have again moving forward, although rain chances could be a little bit lower tomorrow. Area wide, we have scattered activity across Acadiana, a couple of heavier thunderstorms in there, but this is looking more like a summer picture, and that's going to be how we move forward. I think we see a little bit more sun before, a little bit more sun after some of these storms as they push on through, and we might get a nice sunset, tropical sunset out of this activity tonight. Strong storms, Rapides Parish, and then farther to the south, we're seeing a very heavy cell in around the Eunice area into the southern and southwestern portions of Evangeline Parish. Heavy downpours and gusty winds with this cell, and the same goes for this cell over by the Doosan area, producing pretty heavy rainfall and cloud to ground lightning. This is going to be heading toward Karen Crow mainly, may clip portions of Lafayette, especially from, let's say, Eras Landry on northward, the I-10 corridor on northward. Lingering showers across St. Martinville, heavier storm now out into the Atchafalaya Basin, bugging some alligators out there. And then we do have some shower activity that continues to move into St. Mary Parish. All this activity will last another hour or two or so, but then will gradually taper between 8 and 9 o'clock, and by 10 o'clock it should be nice and quiet across the area. As we go back over the last couple of days, I want to show you previous rainfall across the region, and we've had a little bit of a feedback mechanism, and I'll have to update you and do this tonight at 10. Seems like the computer doesn't want to cache the data because I'm pulling 7 days worth of data. But the bottom line, Lafayette Parish, portions of St. Martin Parish, northwestern Iberia, and northeastern Vermilion Parish have had anywhere between 10 and 18 inches of rain so far this month. So that almost becomes a little bit of a feedback mechanism, providing heat and humidity and extra moisture for storms. Now, tomorrow, the graph model is much more optimistic on a more sunny day, fewer showers and storms, but we know better. We're still going to go 30–40%, and that highest rain chance will probably be over Lafayette Parish. Then we move into Thursday for sure. Rain chances will be picking back up. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue, and it looks like we're going to resume a wet pattern, but down the line, Saturday looking the best day we've seen in a long time. So lingering rain chances early this evening, then should be quiet for the rest of the night. Then tomorrow, some sun early, but scattered showers and thunderstorms. Rain chances down to almost minute 40%, but when you're living 60 to 80%, that's a change. Rain chances back up for Juneteenth, down a little bit Friday. Saturday looks to be the best day. You can cut your grass, and then rain chances back up, and they stay up for all of next week and probably through the end of the month. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.